Changing your earrings, a safe timeline.
Hello, and welcome to our video about changing earrings after piercing. It's an important topic for anyone who's recently had their ears pierced, or planning to do so. Knowing when it's safe to change your earrings can help prevent complications and ensure your ears heal properly.
How long should I wait to change my earrings after piercing?
Generally speaking, earlobe piercings take about 6 to 8 weeks to heal fully. During this time, it's recommended that you do not remove the earrings used for the piercing process. This period allows your body to heal around the earring and helps prevent any bacteria or foreign substances from entering the piercing hole. For cartilage piercings, the healing time is typically much longer, often around 6 to 12 months. The cartilage has less blood supply, which means it takes longer for these types of piercings to heal. It's crucial to wait for your piercing to fully heal before attempting to change your earrings to avoid complications such as infection or even scarring.
How to safely change your earrings.
Once the healing period is over, you can start thinking about changing your earrings. But remember, it's not just about time. The piercing must be healed properly. Signs that your piercing has healed include no redness, no pain when you touch it, and no discharge. Here are steps to change your earrings safely. 1. Wash your hands thoroughly. This is to ensure that no germs or bacteria are transferred to your ear or new earrings. 2. Remove your existing earrings. Be gentle to not tug or pull hard. This can cause discomfort or tear your piercing. 3. Clean your new earrings. Use a disinfectant, like rubbing alcohol, to wipe down your new earrings before putting them in. 4. Insert the new earrings. Again, be gentle and take your time. If at any point you feel pain, stop and consult a professional piercer. Pain could be a sign that the piercing has not fully healed or that something is wrong. The key takeaway is to wait at least 6 to 8 weeks for earlobe piercings, or 6 to 12 months for cartilage piercings before attempting to change your earrings. And always remember to practice good hygiene during the process to prevent infection. We hope this video has been informative and helps you safely enjoy your new earrings. Until next time, stay safe and stylish.